Good morning. Good morning, Kada. I'm Attorney Gonzalo for 𝐆𝐵𝐢 & Company Law Firm. Thank you for having me.
Gaano ka-serious, once again, ang mga consequences kapag ang isang tao ay nagbitaw ng bomb joke sa mga ganitong klaseng lugar?
Well, very serious to, no? Yung penalty nito is nakalagay sa Presidential Decree number 1727 or ang Anti-Bomb Joke Law. So, ang tao po na lumabag sa batas na to can face imprisonment of up to 5 years or a fine of up to 40,000 pesos or both. So, pwede siyang hatulan ng korte ng imprisonment and a fine.
Attorney, bakit ba illegal? Ano ba ang danger ng pagbibitaw ng bomb joke kung ito'y mistulang biro lang naman?
Okay. Well, under the anti-bomb joke law, no, wala naman sinasabi doon sa mga provision kung biro lang ba or hindi, no. They're treated as the same thing. Oo, it's still serious, ano. Kasi pag tayo po ay nagbiro tungkol sa mga bomba, it causes widespread panic, scandal, and concern, no, sa public.
Do you know of some similar incidences of
Yes,
such
I
violations,
believe sometime in May this year, meron isang passenger, sinasakay niya yung bag niya sa overhead cabin. Tapos nag-make lang siya ng simple joke na may granada daw sa bag niya.
Hala.
And then narinig nung flight attendant. So ang nangyari, yung flight attendant pumunta sa airport security at rineport to. Tapos lahat ng passengers sa plane na yon in-evacuate.
Wow!
Tapos in-inspect from every single nook and cranny ng airplane kung may bomba ba talaga, right? Tapos ang nangyari dun sa person na nag-make nung joke na yun or make nung statement na yun is na-detain siya.
Wow.
And he's probably going to be charged with the anti-bomb joke law and can face imprisonment of up to 5 years or a fine of up to 40,000 pesos. Kasi the police authorities, they treat every single bomb scenario as real. No? They assume the worst case scenario. So kahit mukha lang siyang joke, no, or mukha man siyang totoo, they treat it as the same.
So, sa pagkakataong yun, attorney, paano yung mga danyos din?
Well, so yung offender sa batas na to, he is not only criminally liable for his actions, but is also civilly liable for the consequences of his actions. So, for example, yung bomb threat niya, no, nakakos ng injury to people, right? Nakakos ng damage to property. Obligado siyang magbayad ng damages to make them whole, to compensate them.
Yes. What does this law include? Can be considered a bomb joke?
So, ang sabi naman sa batas, any bomb or form of explosive. So, actually, meron nga isang case. Foreign national siya nasa, I believe, Zamboanga Airport. Yung bag niya, in-inspect ng mga airport security. Tapos, he made a joke na meron atomic bomb dyan.
Hello!
So, ayun, again, same scenario. Nakulong siya, na-detain siya, and I believe he's going to be deported and blacklisted from the entering into the Philippines. So, any bomb or explosive. Now, as to the communication, no, paano to gawin?
Correct.
Sabi naman sa batas, any means of communication. So, ano to? Verbal, pwedeng through actions, pwedeng nga through text, pwedeng nga online. Kahit mag-post ka lang sa Facebook ng bomb threat or bomb joke, you can be held liable under this law.
Wow. You're acting it out. Paano yun, attorney?
Kasama pa rin yun.
Or with sound effect.
Yung parang nagbato ng bag sa gitna ng place, tapos sabi, puputok na, gano'n. Kasama pa rin po yun sa
kahit
batas.
implication.
Yes, as long as a person can reasonably infer from his actions na may bomb threat, no, o may bomb joke, no, sakop pa rin po yun ng batas.
Wow. And then, can we also specify the areas where we should be avoiding saying this?
Well, syempre, any place, no, wag nyo tong gawin. Definitely.
Kahit sa bus terminal, please.
Pero mas malalap if you did this in a public place. Tulad ng airport, malls, parks, kasi it causes widespread panic.
Correct.
Within the vicinity naman of the airport siguro. Or again, any public place that your actions would tend to cause or will cause widespread panic.
Okay. Ang ating first question, sabi, pwede bang singilin ng damages sa mga taong nasaktan matapos? And the answer to that is yes. We already answered that. Paano kung hindi nagsabi ng bomb joke pero umarte? We also covered that. Ang bomb joke ba via text chat we also covered that na rin. Pwede bang mag-sorry ang isang nagbiro ng bomb joke sa korte para siya ay hindi maparusahan?
Sa batas, okay, pag titingnan natin ng anti-bomb joke law, wala naman doon sinasabi na pag nag-sorry ka, okay na. Di ba?
Absuelto ka na.
Absuelto na, wala namang sinasabi. Pero pag nag-apologize ka sa court, depende pa rin po yan kung gaano kalala yung ginawa mo, kung gaano kalala yung damages that you've caused.
Yes.
So, it's on a case-to-case basis. Pero pag nag-apologize ka naman, that's inamon mo na ginawa mo, that is a mitigating circumstance na pwedeng mapababa yung penalty. Pero sa absuelto, again, that would depend on the court and that would depend on the factual circumstances surrounding your case.
Wow. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyong mga words of warning, attorney. At saan po ba kayo pwedeng ma-reach ng ating mga kada for any legal advice or help?
Yeah, you could just Google Respicio and Company Law Firm. Puntahan niyo po ang aming website. If you have any legal inquiries, or gusto niyo mag-consult sa amin, meron naman po doon na guide kung paano niyo kami ma-reach, And you could also reach us on Facebook. You could also reach us on TikTok.
Pati TikTok, kailangan natin yan para lahat tayo ay may nalalaman tungkol sa batas. Maraming salamat, attorney!